Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you're a fan of chicken Alfredo and lasagna, I'm going to put them both together. And if you want to see what I mean and how I make it, then stick around and keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and use a whole chicken for this recipe. Now you can bake one yourself, but I went ahead and just made it a little bit easier on me, and I picked up a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, and I'm just going to cut it up and shred it and chop it up into little pieces. Now when I'm all done, it's going to leave me around 3 to 4 cups of chicken that I'm going to use for the lasagna. So the chicken is all done, and now I'm going to make a quick filling for the lasagna. So in a large bowl, I'm just going to add the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 jars of Alfredo sauce, and you can use whatever sauce that you like. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the bowl along with the chicken. It's time to add some flavor, so I have a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and sea salt and black pepper. And just take a spatula or a spoon and combine all those amazing flavors together. So I'm going to use 2 types of cheese, Parmesan, and you'll see that later. And right now I'm going to go ahead and shred 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. Now what would this recipe be without spinach? I love spinach, and I went ahead and I picked up a bag of frozen spinach, and I'm just going to put it in a bowl. Off camera, I went ahead and I squeezed out all that extra liquid. Now I'm done prepping everything, so I'm ready to cook the lasagna noodles. So I'm going to boil a big pot of water, and I'm going to season it with some sea salt and also add some oil. Now once the water is boiled, you can add between 12 and 14 lasagna noodles to the boiling water, and you can cook them for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the lasagna noodles are done. Now let's start making some lasagna. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my baking dish with some nonstick spray and just spread a very thin layer of the Alfredo mixture on the bottom of the dish. Next, add a layer of lasagna noodles on top. Now you want to add some of that spinach on top of the noodles. Now you want to add a big couple of spoonfuls of that Alfredo chicken mixture on top. And now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle both Parmesan and mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken Alfredo mixture. So go ahead and repeat the process and you'll probably finish with 3 layers. I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees and I'm going to bake it covered with foil for 25 minutes, and then I'm going to take the cover off and I'm going to bake it again for another 25 minutes. So after nearly 50 minutes of baking in the oven, my lasagna is done and it looks golden brown and it's delicious and it looks amazing. Trust me, you guys. So you just want to let it cool down for a little bit, and once it's all cooled down, just grab a knife and cut you a nice big piece. So I like to give you guys a lot of simple dinner recipes, and this chicken Alfredo lasagna is definitely easy and is a great way to use chicken. I love eating chicken. And I also love eating pasta Alfredo. It's one of my favorite pastas to eat. So I think this is a combination of 2 things that I love to eat the most. It's a great dinner, and of course, don't forget to eat it while it's nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.